Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Sharan here. This particular chart is regarding Nifty index, which is my favorite, which usually I look to trade for. All right. Now, what is happening right now? We will look into a daily time frame. We will see the volume profile. For volume profiles, I have opened in the futures, and then we will slowly get into things. Now, on a daily time frame, what am I able to see? I'm able to see a kind of a spinning top, right? Which is nothing but a confusion. So after this huge fall, there is a confusion in the market, right? Whether it is green, red, doesn't matter. As long as there is no proper body, I would consider this as a confusion. As of now, market में confusion है. So when can the confusion get over? Let's see, right? Just like this particular candle, when there is confusion, it has to break those levels, right? Similarly, we have something which is very similar here. Here also, if you see here, the price comes down, there is a confusion, right? And then it decides which side it wants to go up or down, right? Now, having said that, we'll consider that and let's move ahead and see in 60 minutes time frame what has happened, right? We'll first, this is a particular chart opened in what you say is futures, because I want to look at the volumes, and my volumes suggest somewhere around these levels. So around this level is where most of my activities, which is around 15,300. Right? If I do it in 15 minutes, and then also if you see here, I just want to look at 1 second. Yeah, so more or less this is the level where most of the action has happened. Here there was a buying activity and there is a selling activity also, but most of the activity is happening around this level, right? 15,300 levels on a futures chart. That would be somewhere very 100 points up down in your normal index chart. Right? Now, having said that, first of all, even before I go anything, look at this. What is happening here is I can see a box formation, right? Now, that is nothing but a range you can solve. This is the range where the market is right now, right? So, whenever, always remember, this is my personal view, whenever you find a stock in a range, right, like this, right? So, let's take, for example, this is the range that it has formed, right? As long as the price doesn't go and confirm a closing above this level, right, we will not consider any steps in buying or selling, right? Now there will be a lot of times what happens is the price just goes out of the zone and comes back into the box, right? Here also on the way it may go up and come down. So as long as there is no confirmed moving either side, we will not take a trade. This is what I usually look for. Now, having said that, we know certain things as of now, that the 15,300 to 15,400 levels is where most of the activity is. Now, having said that, this, if you just look at the candle, it is something like this, right, which is nothing but a triangle, right, followed before a particular, look at this thing, this is a pole, right? So there is a pole, there is a thing. So as long as the price doesn't cross this level, we will not confirm it. And if the price goes below this level, that is where we will look forward to selling it, right? Now, having said that, what I'm going to do is, like as we usually do, 1440 on an index, we'll go into index. We know certain things now, we'll just go into index. I've already marked this level, which is around 15,000 level, because it's an important level on a what you say is a odd level or even number level, whatever you want to call that as, sorry, even number level, a round number, right? So that is something that I will be concerned about. And along with that, the zones for yesterday's opening and closing will be my important levels, because it is a, since this is a proper confusion, I want the head and the tail of that particular candle to be broken only precisely, only then we will take forward, right? So now, having said that, let's move into 60 minutes time frame. Is there anything I'm missing out? No, right? Is there anything I'm missing out? Can I mark certain levels? I don't know, maybe probably this level somewhere. This is the level that it was holding, right? So I will consider this one level, right? Is there anything else? Probably these, I don't know whether these levels will work. We'll just look into it, because there was a free fall. So you cannot go and directly say that there is no resistance and price will keep going up. No, it cannot happen like that. We'll also look into the open interest and see if there is any other things that we can see. All right. Now, having said that, is there anything else that I can see? No. No. Okay. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Is there anything? Okay. This is the last candle. So I'm going to mark these levels as my no trading zone first of all. right? This level will be my no trading zone. 1 second. Yeah, this will be my no trading zone tomorrow, because now here there is a lot of action happening, right? Buyers and sellers both are involved. Look at this. There is a huge amount of buyers trying to take the prices up. There is one shot, the prices are coming down, the sellers are very active again. So this is a zone that I would want to avoid, right? So this becomes a no trading zone for me for tomorrow. If the price opens and sustains around this level, right, which is close to 15,400 and 15,250, it is in this level, I would be very cautious before I buy or sell in this zone. Okay, let me be very honest. I'll not say that I will not take a trade. Probably around this level I may look forward to buying, because there is a support, and here I may look to sell. But if it is in between this level, this is something that I will avoid very, very cautiously. All right, now having said that, what else do we have? Now it's very simple. If the price opens here, sustains, does all the drama in the world, and finally breaks this level, right? If it breaks this level of 15,400, I will look forward to buying. My first level of targets will be 60-70 points, followed by 100 points on the 15,500, right? That will be trade number 1. Similarly, if the price opens, does a lot of nakra here, finally breaks this level, I will look forward till this particular level of 184, and if it breaks very cautiously or with good volumes, I will look forward to another 50 points downside or 100 points downside. I won't be like, I will see what will happen in the morning. SGX Nifty वगैरह देखते हैं, उसके बाद decide करेंगे, but these will be certain levels for me that I will be looking at. Alright, now apart from this, what happens if the price opens at this level, say probably at this level, okay, right? If the price opens at around these levels, right, I would want to see whether 15,400 acts as a support or not. Right? Now if it does not act, and if it comes into this zone, again I will not be taking any trade. And if it comes here and gives me a look forward to buying it, I will be looking forward to buying it. If it closes and starts moving below this region, I will look forward to selling, because something similar happened here also. Look at this, there was a gap up, the price came into this zone, support level ko break kiya, and then it started falling downside, right? Similarly, if the price opens around top level and comes into no trading zone, breaks your no trading zone and starts moving down, then obviously I will look forward to selling the market, right? That is one. Next, what if the price opens here? Sharan, if the price opens downside, right? If the price opens here, right, I will be looking forward to looking at these levels which I have marked, right? The even number or somewhere around 15,100, 150 also, right? If it holds here and starts moving up, I will look forward to buying it. But if it starts breaking this level also, then I am not going to be very, I don't know what to do as a trader. So what I will do is I'll just sit back and relax and see how the markets behave, right? Because there is nothing that I can do. If all your supports and resistance are being broken and taken out, you don't know where the markets are heading to. So something that I will not be looking forward. Maybe a little bit of scalping based on certain candles I'll do, but not very specific thing, right? Similarly, if the price gaps down here, as I told you, these levels I'll look forward to see how it reacts. If there is some good volume candle giving me a buying opportunity, I look forward to buying. If not, I will try and short the market, right? These are certain levels. Very clearly, this is a no trading zone for me. If it, as of now, maybe these two levels also are very important, okay? 15,500 and 15,400 on the, look at this, 15,300, 15,400, 15,500. These are very good levels to people have already put good amount of selling. So I will be little resistant to take any trade tomorrow. Please have a watch and then take trade. Yeah, I'm so sorry that I was not able to make videos. I had some other commitments. Plus, one more announcement also I'll do. I am trying to make a video, a masterclass, 3 or 4 sessions ka video, wherein I will cover entire basics of candlesticks, right? My strong point that I feel that a person needs to understand is candlesticks. So I will try and give a very good masterclass on that, and I will put it somewhere. Maybe if possible, I'll put it in this platform or somewhere else. It will be free of cost, obviously. No money will be charged for anybody for that. So I'll try and do that with lot of examples and other things. I'm working on that. Maybe 2-3 days I should be able to do that. All right. Yeah, from here onwards, we will try and give, I'll make regular videos. And all right. have a great trading day tomorrow, and all the best. And if there is some news happening in the night, I'm making this at 17:42, which is 7:42. After this, if there is a night में कुछ होता है यूक्रेन का कुछ, because there is some news coming up again from Syria and all, right, where if there is anything, I will not look forward to taking trades based on whatever analysis I have made. I will wait for certain period of time tomorrow अगर कल कुछ होता है ऐसा, because we have seen that markets have been tumbling like anything, right? So I don't want to be in a situation where I don't know what to do, right? So I will wait and take a trade, but if nothing happens, these are my important levels which I will be looking forward to taking trades. All right, having said that, take care, bye bye, and all the best.